Okay, everybody, I'm sorry. This is leaving off from part 3 video. There was a phone call that just came in and it totally stopped my video. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to finish off and go do our last, let me see how many rows we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. So we got 16 rows done. We're going to do 16, 4 more rows. We're going to go off screen and do those 4 more rows. And then we're going to be done. And then we'll stitch the top up and the, will be completed. So I'm sorry again about that. This is just, oh my God, it's like, ugh. But okay. We'll take it from there. I'm going off screen to do the last 4 rows. And then we'll be done and we're going to stitch this thing together. And let's see how it works. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, we are going to finish our last 2 stitches. I have done my 4 rows. And I'm going to complete the last 2 stitches here with 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And then we are going to do a slip stitch in that very first half double crochet we created. Okay, slip stitch. All right, there go our slip stitch. We are going to chain 1 and we are going to just turn your work, and we are going to, let me lower it down. We're going to line it up so that we can fit right here. See, lining it up. And we're going to put 1 half double crochet in each stitch on both front and back. Okay, so here and here, okay? So we chained 1, wrap your hook, go through this stitch, and go to this stitch, okay? Pull your loop through, wrap your hook, okay? Do the same thing here and here, okay? Sure, I got them both. Okay. Make sure you're not skipping, you know, none of those stitches. Sometimes it could be easy. You got the back stitch, you might end up in this stitch instead of the stitch that's behind it or on the same level as it. I've done that before, so I know it's easy to do. Of course, you're going to need your scissors and your sew needle or your darning needle. You know, I call it a sew needle. You're going to need that so you can weave in your ends, your tails, I should say. And this is a stitch as well, so you want to make sure you go in that, okay? In that. So that is what it looks like. Then you can cut your yarn off, and which I call it fasten off. You fasten off and weave your tail in. But we're going to try this on first. We're going to grab our mannequin, which she is right here. This is our mannequin. Okay. Now let's try the beanie on. Up, that's the back. That's the back of the beanie. Okay, so there you have her. She can be worn down, or you can flip the brim up. However you want to wear her, that's how you wear her. Okay, there it go. Look. We are finished. There she go. We just had to snip the ends and sew weaving the tails. That's our cat ear beanie. You can pull it down and just pull the hat up. See? There it go. Okay. We are done with this tutorial, and I hope you guys liked it. If you don't mind, please like the video, share the video, and yeah, just like and share and follow. I always forget that follow. Like, share, and follow. Cat Ear Beanie video part 1, part 2, and part 3. And just a reminder, my phone had rang through one of them, so I had to start over because my phone rang, and I had to do a part 3. So we have part 1, part 2, and part 3, and they are really small. Part 3 is small, so it's only this 8-minute and probably 9 minutes now. So anyway, guys, have an amazing rest of your day. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in and doing my videos. I appreciate y'all for just, giving me the time of y'all day. Have an amazing day. Peace.